Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Italy, for everyone that does not know me, and for today's video I'm going to be sharing my hair care routine. Ever since I switched to higher quality products, it's helped my hair go from this to this, and I can't wait to share what products I've been using. Lately I've been obsessed with NatureLab, and as you'll see later in this video, that's where most of my products are from. However, these are not the only products that I use, so if you would like to see some type of favorites video where I show off all the products that I love, leave a comment down below and I will get that for you. First, I'm going to go in with the Clarifying Scalp Scrub by NatureLab. You guys, I love this scalp scrub. It has completely changed my life. I used to have uncontrollable dandruff and the itchiest scalp before I started using this. This has honestly just really helped balance my skin's pH. So in the directions it says that you don't have to shampoo your hair after you use this, but I like to also go in with a shampoo afterwards just because I use a lot of products on my hair throughout the week. Like I'll use pomade, which makes my hair very greasy sometimes. I put on a lot of hair oils, sometimes hairspray, you know, just a bunch of stuff. So I like to go in with the shampoo. Okay, so next I go in with the Repair Treatment Mask. This has keratin technology, which is supposed to fortify the hair cuticle. And this is okay to use if you have color treated hair, which is great. And also if you have damaged hair, this is gonna be great for you. I was so sad because I was running out, but then I remembered I had a whole new package waiting for me. I completely forgot that I had ordered a new conditioner, and yes, I did pay for it myself. I'm an affiliate with them, but I did pay for it myself, and it came in, and here it is, and I'm so excited. Okay, so it got a little steamy in there, but basically what I do is I put my hair up in a bun, and I kind of left it up there and just did my skincare and my body stuff while I let the mask sit there. If you want better results, it's better for you to get out of the shower, towel dry your hair just a little bit, add the mask, and then keep it in there for 10 minutes and then hop back into the shower or rinse it out in the sink. However, I am so lazy, and the shower, the steamy shower clearly feels so good. I don't like to get out of there, so it's just not always realistic for me to do that. Sometimes I'll do it, but sometimes I'm just lazy and I'll just do it in the shower. So that's what I did this time. And then another thing that I do is once the 5 to 10 minutes has passed, I will go in with this Detangler brush. This one's from Foxy Bay, and I just brush it out in the shower. I know there's so many rumors saying that you shouldn't brush your hair when it's wet, but I find there to be less fallout in the shower versus waiting for it to completely dry and then brushing out all those tangles with dry hair. Honestly, it's not worth it for me. I think that it's a myth, to be honest. I used to follow that rule and I used to have so much more breakage, so I prefer doing it in the shower. So that's what I do. And then when I get out of the shower, I will use this microfiber towel. I've seen a huge difference in my hair ever since I stopped towel drying my hair with a regular towel. Before even getting a microfiber towel, I would just use a t-shirt. So if you don't feel like buying a microfiber towel, go ahead and just use your t-shirt. That's already going to be a step better than towel drying your hair. Yeah, the texture on a regular towel is just super rough, while this one is kind of like a blanket. Yeah, this really helps, and I'll just wrap my hair up in this and let it towel dry for about 10 minutes while I do some skincare and lotion up my body. Okay, so after I let my towel soak up some of that water, I will go in with my leave-in conditioner. I use the It's a 10 Keratin Plus leave-in conditioner. I love this leave-in conditioner. Ever since I started my hair care journey, I think this is the first product that I ever brought on board, and it's been so amazing. This is the only thing that I refuse to switch out. I don't know if I'll ever change because I love this leave-in conditioner. It's my favorite. I would not trade it for anything, so I highly recommend this. After spraying the leave-in conditioner, I will go in with some Gizu hair oil. I just like to put this on damp hair. I heard that your hair can just absorb oils better when it's wet, so that's why I do this, but I feel like there's more instant shine when you're doing it on dry hair, obviously. And then I will wait for my hair to dry even more. So I'll wait for it to be like 80 to 90% damp, and then I will just do some bathrobe curls to sleep in. That way I don't wake up with my hair super tangly or frizzy or anything like that. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like in the morning after I take out my bathrobe thing, and these are my bathrobe curls. And as you can see, this is what my hair looks like. It's pretty shiny, and this is my hair air dried. Obviously, everyone could get a smooth, shiny hair when you are adding heat to it, but this is no heat. And I really wanted to do that today just to show you guys the actual condition of my hair. I love to blow out my hair too, so if I'm washing my hair during the daytime, I'll probably do a blowout, or I will completely air dry it and then curl it, or I don't know, something. But at nighttime, if I'm doing it at nighttime, I mostly do this. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and share it with your friends so we can all have fabulous hair. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!